Good afternoon, morning, everyone. I'm extremely tired. I woke up like a few hours ago. It's a Saturday. I can sleep until 10 and it's fine. But the reason why I'm making this video is because I got one of my baby minifigure Gotoon doll things in the mail today. I have no idea when the other one's supposed to come in. It's coming from Korea. This one came from Florida. Let's get to opening this. I'm really excited. I'm kind of worried. It's just in like a package. I mean, Fragile's written all over it. I don't want to mess up the box or anything. The mail person knocked on the door. I was in my bed, not wearing pants. And my sisters were out. Look, we're out in the like dining room, and they were like, "Kennedy, someone's at the door." And I was like, who is it? And they're like, it's the mail person. And we were like, great. So I had to get up, put on some clothes. They'd already left. It was like, they were just knocking on the door to let us know there's packages. Oh my goodness. This is super exciting. I don't want to see it. Okay, it's in a cardboard thing. Oh my goodness, I'm very excited. It's got like the same face as the Gotoon doll, so. Alright, I'm gonna look at it now. Oh, it's so small! Oh my goodness, that's so cute! Oh, why is there a sticker on it? That's so... I don't want to ruin the box. I'm just trying to like open the sticker part, and I don't want to ruin the whole box, you know? Ah, there we go. Oh my goodness, it's so small. Oh, it's magnetic to this stand. That's really cool. Oh my goodness, it is so tiny. Look how small it is. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. Look how small. Oh, it's not very magnetic. It's like just slightly magnetic. Easily moved magnetic. Oh my god. Look at how cute it is. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. I didn't get the departure one. This is the, which one is this? This is Arrival, and I got the Turbulence one, but I didn't get the departure one because, Jesus, that costed like $100 on eBay, which is where I got all of them. I found one that's $75. I'm gonna try and get it one of these days. I don't know when. I mean, that's a lot of money that I don't have. I'm gonna open the card now. I'm just looking at him, he's so cute. That's a lot of money that I don't have, you know? And there's other things that I wanna buy. Aww. I love Jaebeom. I miss the mullet, and he has it in this picture. That's so cute. So I have the Turbulence one coming in the mail, and then I have an Eyes on You album coming in the mail. I won't let you go stuck in my head right now. Ta-da! Cute. Now I have these two. He keeps falling off the little stand. He's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go. That's the end of this video, this unboxing. It was short and sweet because it was just one doll. My Turbulence one is coming in the mail, and then I have an Eyes on You album coming in the mail. Those will be filmed soon when they come in, and then I'll edit and blah 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 blah. So don't like, don't subscribe.